Beautifully maintained, this lovely Colonial in Winona offers a well-designed floor plan striking a balance between open living areas and defined spaces. The property boasts abundant natural light, a spacious foyer, high ceilings, hardwood floors, a formal dining room, and a living room feat. A wood-burning fireplace. Additionally, the residence includes a basement, generously sized bedrooms, and attic. The expansive front porch is equipped with a ceiling fan and sunshade, seamlessly extending the living space outdoors. Furthermore, the home overlooks an open green area and includes a det.garage power supply. Nestled among tree-lined streets and close to the Lough River, this home offers a serene setting ideal for those looking for privacy while being close to city life. Assum. VA loan 2.75% West Newrez. April 26, 2024.